how to adjust your PuqPress Mini for your specific portafilter type. Let's get started. Your PuqPress will come provided with some tools in order to adjust your machine. To adjust the fork up and down, grab the T-wrench, pull down so your clamp lowers, and then place your portafilter in. Sometimes it's helpful to have an extra pair of hands to ensure you can get your portafilter up and locked into place before tightening. Slightly fasten those bolts when your clamp is up in place, and then pull out the portafilter and use the T-wrench to continue tightening to make sure it's snugly fit. Make sure not to fasten them too tight. Go ahead and insert your portafilter at this point to make sure it slides in easily. You may need to make another adjustment here in order to make sure it slides in and out as easy as possible. But you want to make sure it doesn't wiggle too much or you won't get an even tamp or the sensor will not sense your portafilter in place. Once it's perfectly adjusted, you'll be ready to go. You will need to make further adjustments if you plan on using different types of portafilters, so just keep that in mind. Hope this video was helpful. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. After that, head on over to majestycoffee.com to check out the PuqPress Mini and many more great machines. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.